one of those topic was the 5-second confirmation. What is the good 5-second confirmation and when you can use it? Okay, so at the strong SNR level, you can use the 5-second confirmation at the SNR levels. You cannot use in the middle of the trend. Okay, so you cannot use it in the middle of the trend. You need to use at the SNR levels. Okay, so let me show you what is the good 5-second confirmation. Okay, so let me bring here. So this is the 5-second, as you can see here. This is the 5-second chart, and a good 5-second confirmation is a candle with a medium body, not too weak and not too strong, like this one here. You can see like this one here. This is a medium candle, medium body. Here also, here also, here also, these red ones also, here, here. So these are the good and perfect confirmation. Okay, and the bad confirmation, you cannot take these as a confirmation. You can see weak candle here. These are not confirmation. We cannot take these as a confirmation. So we can trust the medium candle with a medium body, not too weak and also not too strong. Okay, as I told you, very strong candle are sign of reversal, right? So after this, the market can reverse and close here. So we cannot trust very strong candles. We cannot trust so weak candle like here. We can trust the medium candle as a confirmation. Okay, so these are the medium candle, right? You can see these are good confirmation here, and we can trust this one here. But how we can use these? Let me show you. If suppose there is a support level, okay, this is a support level, we are ready to place a higher option. The market close at this level in 1 minute like this. Okay, the market close at the level and we are ready to place a higher option. So here, as I told you, when the market close at the level, you can trust and you can place your trade directly without taking any confirmation. But if you have doubt, if you are not sure about this trade, still you have some doubts what will happen, or you see the market is coming down in 1 minute, it is coming down like this, now you can wait and take a confirmation to be sure about your trades. So you see the market close at the level, you are not very sure, you need to open the 5-second chart and wait for a confirmation. So a red confirmation or green, you can see we have both confirmation here, right? We have red 5-second confirmation, it is a good confirmation, and we have the green one. So what we can do here, we have both. Yes, we want to place a higher option, right? It was a support level, the red candle closed like this, and we wanted to place a higher option. So we need to wait for a good green confirmation, a bullish confirmation. Why? Because we want to go with the buyers. This is a support level, not a resistance. So even we get a good confirmation from the sellers first, even we take this confirmation first, we cannot trust and we cannot go with the sellers. Why? Because this is a support level, a buyer's entry point. We are expecting buyers enter from this level, so we cannot trust this red confirmation. We need to wait for a buyer's confirmation, and you can see here. Then we take this good medium candle. This is a confirmation. We can open our trade here at this level, closing point of this confirmation, and mostly the market will close above this this line here, above this closing point of the confirmation. Mostly the market closed somewhere here, okay, above this line. So at the support level, even you got a bearish confirmation first, you cannot go with the sellers because we want to place a higher option. This is a buyer's entry, so we will wait for a good buyer's confirmation. If we didn't get, we leave the trade. It made the sellers just come, and we don't get any buyer's confirmation, so we leave the trade. We don't trade here, okay? But when you got the good bullish confirmation, you can trust, okay? And also, you know, we have 30 seconds to open the trade, right? We have 30 seconds to open our trade, so we have only 30 seconds to get a confirmation, right? So these are the 5 seconds. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so you can see, if we suppose the market close here, okay, the previous candle close here, and the next candle start from here, okay, so we have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation. We have only this much time to take a good confirmation. And if we couldn't find, we cannot trade. This is 1 minute candle, right? The candle will end here, it starts here, it will end here, and we have only 30 seconds to take a good confirmation. If you got a good confirmation here, don't open the trade. Why? Because we have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation, not more than that. So if you get a confirmation on this area after the 30-second purchase time, you cannot open the trade. Always remember this. You have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation. And also in the seller's area, if you take a good buyer's confirmation, can you go with buyers? No, because this is a resistance level. We are expecting a seller's entry, right? So we should wait for a seller's confirmation. And when we got the good confirmation, not a weak one like this, not a very strong one like this, a good and perfect confirmation like this, okay, a medium candle. So when we got our confirmation, we can open our trade here, and the market mostly will close below this line, mostly somewhere here. So this is the good confirmation and how you can trade. You can trade only at the SNR. Don't take a confirmation in the middle of the trend, because you will get a late entry and you may lose your trade easily.